I need to quickly and safely thaw frozen ground beef. What are my options? Since reading the answers to my question about defrosting meat on the counter, see link 1. I've been good about giving my meat time to defrost in the refrigerator. However, my plans for tonight have changed and I'd like to defrost some ground beef that is completely frozen for dinner this evening. What are my options to do so quickly and safely? Put the meat in a sealed plastic bag. Place in a bowl in the sink. Fill with cold tap water. Then set the tap running in a thin stream with the water overflowing the sides of the bowl. The moving water will safely thaw the meat through convection. Make sure you get as much air out of the plastic bag as you can. You might need to put some weight on it in the bowl to keep it submerged in the water. If you're really in a hurry, then you can't beat the microwave. It might defrost a little unevenly, but assuming you plan to brown it or something afterward, then that will take care of evening it out. The microwave is perfectly safe. The key point about food safety here is not allowing the meat to sit in the danger zone, basically more than a few degrees above freezing, for a very long time, and if it's only defrosting for 5 to 10 minutes in the microwave, then that's perfectly safe. Just make sure you cook it immediately afterward.